G'day guys, we're back here again with the Photo Express Kiosk PC, and today we're going to be trying to get Linux running on it. Specifically Lubuntu version 18.04, which was the last 32-bit version. As usual, I've written to a flash drive using Rufus on a Windows PC. So we're in BIOS, I just need to make sure it's set to boot from USB hard drive, which it is, and we will save and exit. We want English, and we want to try it without installing. We're finally on the desktop now. It took around 2.5 minutes for it to boot, but I didn't have any issues booting, which was good. So out of the box, sound does work, as does USB, but there's no touch, which isn't surprising since it is RS-232 serial. This computer does not have internal Wi-Fi, so I've just used a cheap $2 Wi-Fi adapter from eBay. Nothing fancy. Okay, I've connected to the Wi-Fi, so I think we'll start off with web browsing, see if this old Pentium 4 with 1 gig of DDR1 RAM can still browse the web. Go Firefox. Was a little bit slow to load, was about 20 seconds. I think we'll start by getting uBlock Origin. So it's pretty slow loading web pages, but we did get there. We want to add, and it's installed. Next we'll try YouTube Playback. It's finally loaded the YouTube homepage, took about 3 or 4 minutes. So we'll see how we go searching. It was a little bit fast loading the search results. For some reason it took me to the channel tab, so we'll try again. I think this poor Pentium 4 is struggling a fair bit. We're almost
guys, I recently picked up a pair of red and cyan glasses, which I had been after for a while.
So the CPU fan has ramped up to max, and it is playing the video. Very slow though, very choppy. I'll see if I can turn the resolution down. Unfortunately, I can't bring up the settings, and it is very choppy. I think YouTube is unplayable on a Pentium 4 today. It looks like it has gone down to the lowest setting automatically, and it is smooth, but it's ultra low quality. And again, I can't bring up any of the YouTube player settings. Overall, it took about 10 minutes to go from the Firefox homepage to playing this video, so probably not feasible. I think next we'll try some local media playback. We'll be using GNOME MPV to play some local videos. We'll start off with MPEG-2 1080. Go full screen. You can see the butterfly's wings, it is a little bit choppy. We'll try skip through. So it's struggling with full HD MPEG-2. We'll close this and we'll try something else. We'll try Xvid 1080. It's a lot smoother than MPEG-2, but it is still choppy. I think we'll try Xvid 480p. So this is Xvid 480, and it's a lot smoother, as you can see. It seems to be playing it pretty much perfectly. It's not too bad for a Pentium 4. I think we'll take a look around the OS and see what's included on the live distro. So you've got your basic accessories, nothing too special there. You've got MT Paint, there's no GIMP. You've got Firefox, as we saw earlier, and Transmission. You've got basic Word and basic spreadsheets. You've got audio and video players, as we just saw. You've got Gparted, it's definitely a useful tool, could come in handy. HTOP to view system processes. You've got Terminal, obviously. It looks like there is a software store, so we'll see if we can download anything cool. Didn't take too long to load at all. We'll go straight into games. Okay, we don't want to get anything too high-end because this is a very old, low-end computer. You might try Minetest, it sounds like a Minecraft clone. Unfortunately, that wouldn't install. Looks like it might not have a 32-bit build anymore. So we'll find something different. We'll try Doom. Hopefully PR Boom does come with the shareware WAD. This looks a lot more promising. Didn't give us the error. It's finished installing. Let's try launch it. And it does work. We'll see if we can go full screen. And full screen works. I've never played this Doom mod before. I guess it's a community-made one. All custom assets, so there's nothing, no licenses needed. See if the cheats still work. They do. So that's your double-barreled shotgun, chain gun, rocket launcher, should be plasma, BFG, and chainsaw. And that's your fist. So pretty cool game. Plays full speed. Let's try something else. We'll try install Abe's Amazing Adventure. I've never heard of this before. It looks like a platform game. Hopefully it does install. Unfortunately, it did give us these same errors last time, so it looks like we won't be playing that. Instead, we'll try the Wolfenstein 3D port, Wolf 4 SDL, which also failed to install. We'll see if we can install the Lemmings clone Pingus. A lot of the games I have tried to install all have the same error. It just looks like there's no 32-bit builds, so we might snap it off there. Overall, it was pretty neat that this machine can sort of play YouTube videos very, very slowly using Linux. And I also like that the USB ports and the video drivers, sound drivers all worked out of the box without having to find the correct drivers for it. I haven't bothered trying to set up the touchscreen in Linux or the built-in thermal printer. I think for this computer specifically, I would recommend Windows XP Embedded just because there are drivers for everything and you probably wouldn't want to use this on the internet anyway. So Windows XP will be fine offline. I think that'll do it for today. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.